Today we're talking about all of pallet racking and what you have to do to maintain your pallet racking. How is your pallet racking legal? How do you set your pallet racking up? These kinds of things. First of all, if you have pallet racking, all the members of the pallet racking must match and fit jointly together and fit together correctly. You're not supposed to be drilling in pallet racking and using mixed components. It's supposed to work correctly. All of the pallet racking is supposed to have the same load capacity throughout. And you're supposed to have load capacity stickers on long runs of pallet racking periodically so that you know what the load capacity of that entire section of pallet racking is. You're supposed to do a little training for your employees on pallet racking. Heaviest products on the bottom, lightest products on the top. Also, if you damage pallet racking, you are not allowed to repair it. You're supposed to take those members that are damaged, whether it's an upright or a cross member, take them out of service and replace with the correct cross member or upright of the same load capacity. And last, if you have several tiers of pallet racking, you need to anchor bolt that pallet racking to the floor with the correct anchor bolts and restrain it to the wall as well. This is all for safety and to prevent a collapse. And remember, we have to keep our employees safe, and proper pallet rack usage and maintenance is required.